guys, welcome to Summer Auto Part. This is Summer. Today I'm going to installation the spare tire remove kit again. And we can find that this is our new package, and inside of the box is parts which including the small one and the big one and the accessory screws for the installation steps. And we can find the color is the gray color which is match my cars, and we can find the color element is from the UK, and we make the perfect painting growth gray color. And now my master is remove the rear spare cover, and we will make a new video to show you the step of the installation of the remove kit again.